Hello, this is Dr. Marin Bozic. In this edition of the UDM Academy, we will go through the process of fixing an error that you see on the screen. One UDM user wrote to me and said, "Why is my query no longer loading?" She changed her computer, she changed her office, she has a slightly different Excel version at her new station, and she's getting the error that implementation isn't a valid Odata.Feed option. This is the unfortunate consequence of Excel having slightly different versions of the get and transform, formerly known as Power Query. Slightly different versions across their subscription options, 365, 2016, it can be various elements. So how do we fix that? So if this is the file, this is the milk statistics for Ireland. If this is the file and you need to change the following. So we'll go to Query, Edit. This brings us to the Power Query Editor. Then go to Advanced Editor. And you see the first line here, source equals to Odata.Feed. If you have built this query in a computer that has a newer version of the query editor, the first line will have first the link, but after that this null and implementation 2.0. All you need to do is remove this part here. There you go. Done. Close and load. That's all you need to do. So if you have a file with multiple queries, you go to Data, open the queries and connections, and you have to go through each of your queries only once and make this change, and make sure you save the version of the file before you start these changes, just in case you make an incorrect change, so you can recover your previous work. And of course, once you have made the change and have confirmed that everything works, save the file again, and it will be ready for you next time you open it.